This video will describe the creation of suppliers on your system. Go to the menu and underneath Create and Manage Items, click on Suppliers. This will open existing suppliers. To create a new supplier, click New. Enter the relevant details regarding your new supplier. Giving the supplier a code makes it easier to recognise the supplier. If you do have an account number, enter it into this field. Fill out as much information as possible. You are required to fill out custom text and number fields to add different contacts for that supplier. And click Update. Clicking on the drop-down arrows opens up the basic details of that supplier. Clicking on the Items Supplied option shows you any items on the system that are currently assigned to that particular supplier.